Jai Hind Classic students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 6 students, as you know that your PT second examination is going on. So in this, I think you have also your timetable. In your timetable, the dates are mentioned of the computer exam. So it is my request to you, you prepare all subjects paper and all subject contents constantly, and you will be get 100 out of 100 in each exam. And one more thing, your computer exam on the date of 12th of December, it means when the second term, when first term's copies you have to submit it at school, then again when you come for taking the second round examinations copies, it means the 11 10 11 12. Okay, so on that, in the 12th of December, you have to give these examinations with an invigilator at your home, like your mothers, your fathers, your sisters. Okay, so in the computer exam, you know very well which one chapters I ask. If you have the book, then firstly keep your book beside you, because it is necessary to understanding in the class what types of content I deliver to you. So firstly keep your book beside you. Okay, when you have your book, then you just see that the page number third, on there the contents are given of all chapters. So there is a given the chapter 6 and chapter 7, introduction to publisher 2013 and working with object in publisher 2013. There are two chapters. From the two chapters I asked the question in your PT examination. Okay, so for that you just open the page number 81 in your computer book in the class 6 students. So what you have to see in the downside of your book, there is a given keywords. Let's understand, keywords is very important for that chapter. Okay, because from the years you will be understand about your previous things, those you just listen, either understand, either read in this chapter. Okay, now you just see on there is a given is a scratch area. What's the given here? Scratch area. Okay, so scratch area, what is the mean about that scratch area? So scratch area around publication page where object can be placed before insertion in publication page. What is the given here? Scratch area अराउंड पब्लिकेशन पेज. जो पब्लिकेशन पेज होगा उसके बाहर का जो एरिया होगा, जो चारों तरफ से घिरा हुआ होगा, दैट वन इज कॉल्ड द स्क्रैच एरिया. वेयर ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी प्लेस्ड, जहां हमें ऑब्जेक्ट पहले से रखने हैं. सपोज दैट यू वांट टू इंसर्ट अ पिक्चर, for that you keep your picture before the insertion. Okay, on where? In the scratch area. And then after, when you need to just insert that image, that object in your publication page, then you will do that. So if the question asked in your examination, what is an scratch area? Okay, what is a scratch area? So what you give that answer? I think you will be understand about this topic. Scratch area is a place where we keep our object before the insertion in publication. Okay, अर्थात पब्लिकेशन पेज पर किसी को इंसर्ट करने से पहले जो चीज हम रखते हैं साइड में, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज स्क्रैच एरिया. सेकंड कीवर्ड्स इज गिवन हियर गाइड्स. व्हाट इज द गिवन हियर? गाइड्स. ओके, सो गाइड्स आर व्हाट? Horizontal and vertical lines on publication which help to aligning text, image and other object. Text, image and other object. What? So guides are what? Guides are lines. Guides are line on where? In a project. In publication. Guides are line in where? In your publication. and where you can just see that which types of guides is there. So guides are two. First is the vertical lines and second is the horizontal lines. Okay, so vertical and horizontal lines on a publication which help to aligning the text, image and graphics or other objects are called the guides. Okay, so I think you clear about the two keywords. Those are given in your page number 81, scratch area and guides. Now just come the downside of that page. There is a given let us revise. Okay, in the let us revise means what you just understand about that let us revise. So in the let us revise we will understand about it. Those we understand before the just revising that things, we will just discussions with our teacher explainly what types of matter is given in this chapter. Now listen first statement in the let us revise. The statement is first, it says that Microsoft Publisher is an application software. Is that clear? It is an application software. It help you in which form? So creating professional looking vouchers, second certificates, cards, flyers, newsletters, etc. Okay, so Microsoft Publisher, it is an application software that's help you to creating professional looking vouchers, certificates, cards, flyers and newsletter, etc. Now the next, in the next statement is given there, most of the part of publisher window are similar to the part of the Word 2013 window. It means except scratch area, margin guides and page navigation pane. It means there are three things are newer in the publication and rest of the things are as usual. Those you just understand in the Microsoft Word 2013. Next, there are two types of guides. First is margin guides and second is customizable guides. The create link option is used to connect text boxes to make the text continue from one text to another. Okay, now there are 2 points are remain. Second last, the typography. It is a very important question, students. The typography feature in Publisher provides drop cap, number style, ligature, stylistic sets, swaps and stylistics alternates. Okay, and the last, the default extension of a publication file is .pub. So it is our revision on the basis of the chapter 6. Hope you understand about this, and the next day we will meet to the next chapter revision. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.